Away, my country people, it don't happen again, it don't scatter. No be smart, no, they say wahala be like bicycle. Popular that the Gio Apostle Gideon, he don't call that the freeze come out to no be smart. On I know say recently that the freeze wed his wife. They do marriage. No be smart at the thing now they trend for social media. The talk said that the freeze go married another person wife. On I understand. And the man come tell that the freeze made that the freeze pay 5 million as he saw that the freeze for Koto not be smart, since how many days now that they drag that the freeze no respond, talk anything. As I they talk to Ona now, popular that the Gio Apostle Gideon, he don't call that the freeze come out to no be smart, he say me that the freeze may he can't talk, say that the freeze he they they talk to many pastors, he they drag them different things. Say see now, say that the freeze go marry another person wife. No be smart, no be small saga. May that the freeze may can't respond to Ramo. Say no be smart, my people. May no come be say I too talk make una regard the basboso.
There is a young man I want to address and I want to call out. Your name is Daddy Freeze. You are an expert in calling out men of God and insulting them. But last Saturday, you secretly got married to another man's wife in London. You thought we would not know. You don't have moral rights to call out any pastor from now henceforth. Because this is the third wife you are trying to keep at home. You can't gather a single woman. You are insulting who gather congregation. Can you see how inconsequential you are? I know that you thought many of us did not know. We catch you. You want to do it secretly, but we don't catch you. Any day you insult any father of faith again, you should know that you have come to the end of the road for your blackmail. Be warned. Dr. Paul Enenche called you a mad dog. It's now I know. Because someone that is normal will not behave like that. I told you that we that we are coming behind will give you tough time more than fathers. They will not answer you, will answer you. You should know. When you insult fathers, the son will come for you. Very well. No two ways about it. So, Daddy Freeze, don't insult pastors again. Who know if you gather family, they insult who they gather congregation. The husband of the woman you are marrying sued you, you paid 5 million naira. God will help you. Amen.
My people, how na check am? No be small thing, no be small gbasgbo. So they say wahala be like waiting again. Wahala be like bicycle. He said that the freeze go marry another man's wife. Another man wife. No be small thing, no. He said they can't give that the freeze fine to pay. Say 5 million. Now the man give that the freeze, made that the freeze pay him. Say no be small thing, no. Say that the freeze do and secretly he can't go London, no. Go marry my people. No be smart, they say wahala be like bicycle, and now this matter now they trend for social media, no. They drag that the freeze like never before. No be smart, no be small wahala. If I say ma sit down, ma table this matter, we no come on for here. No be smart thing. He said me that the freeze may not they talk to men of God again, no. May not they insult them again at all. If he don't say all this, say them when be children of all these people when they on top, all this that the GEOs. Say if that the freeze, say if he don't again, say they will come for that the freeze. Not be smart, They say wahala be like bicycle. Not be small basbo. So this one when they drag that the freeze, say that the freeze go marry another man wife. No be smart, that the freeze never respond at all. Even the honeymoon when that the freeze dey, many people still they drag that the freeze. Not be only this men of God. If on a rich comment section now that the freeze now that they drag, that they tag that the freeze, they say that the freeze. So you are among of people when they collect another man's wife. Not be smart, I say what it can they happen? This man be the honeymoon. Not be smart, again, oh, that the freeze not even respond to them, oh, he not answer them. He they come life every day. That the freeze not go talk the matter. Not be smart my people. Now yeah, now I want for leave you now. May not come be say I too talk oh, on a bye yo on a ciao. Guys, share this video.